Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Web-based maintenance assets management software. Web-based enterprise asset management. EAM. Web-based computerized maintenance management system. CMMS. Based on Claris FileMaker.
Maintenance Assets Manager software. General features.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Operational efficiency.
Integrated Maintenance Assets Manager features improve operational efficiency.
To increase longevity and usefulness for your assets.
The Maintenance Assets Manager software ensures the timely maintenance of assets and equipment to increase longevity and usefulness.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Increase employee productivity.
The Maintenance Assets Manager software to increase employee productivity by assigning and individually monitoring their activities.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Maximize return on investment.
Maintenance Assets Manager software minimizes asset waste and depreciation to ensure maximized productivity and return on investment.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Asset management.
Maintenance Assets Manager software enable you to store all asset data, including equipment details, information about suppliers or vendors, efficiency levels, capacity, warranty details, operation manuals, notes, images, and documents, etc.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Resource assignment.
Maintenance Assets Manager software identify, assign, and schedule the most applicable resources to provide equipment maintenance services as well as other tasks, ensuring maximum utilization, productivity, and accountability.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Inventory management.
Maintenance Assets Manager easily track all of your inventory, quickly retrieve information and check them in and out of inventory, keeping all records in a centralized location for easier management.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Secure access.
Maintenance Assets Manager built-in administrative controls for managing permissions to access information and perform certain tasks.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Decision making.
Maintenance Assets Manager reporting system empowers decision makers to operate more effectively with real-time access to the data that they need, when they need it.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Cloud architecture.
Maintenance Assets Manager save money on IT infrastructure costs. It is a cloud-based solution that reduces your IT human resources and hardware investment.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Scalability.
Maintenance Assets Manager, highly scalable cloud infrastructure that can be easily upgraded or downgraded to meet operational needs.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Web and Apple iOS mobile app.
Handle all Maintenance Assets Manager tasks and view all data directly from the Apple iOS mobile app. All data is also available through the corresponding web application.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Improve the longevity and performance of your assets.
Some of your assets require more care while others don't. Customize maintenance schedules for all of them using our Maintenance Assets Manager software. Optimizing your equipment and business by enabling your assets to last longer and perform better.